So nasty.
Sorry your car died. My Maserati just passed. Hey, look.
What's going on, fam? Sorry for the late video. I've been stuck at work. I've been dealing with all kinds of stuff. But for today's video, we're going to be going to a shop and getting my feed line and my water lines made. If everything goes good for that, for next week's video, it should be just a downpipe and probably install the fuel injectors. So once the fuel injectors are all done, I'll probably do that throughout the week. So hopefully everything goes good. Next week, get the downpipe. Today, get the feed and the water, get that whole turbo situation all situated. And probably buy some couplers, because as you guys can see on my last video, I ran out of couplers. So that's it for today. Like, that's all I'm taking to be doing. And then probably cleaning up this drift cart, seeing where I'm at with it, and try to figure out some stuff on it. Hopefully that goes good. I don't have to worry about anything else. So drift cart probably gonna be up and running like in a month or two. And then turbo situation, hopefully we could get this finished by next week. And that's pretty much it. Besides that, let's go ahead and go to the shop and get those lines made, and let's go. All right, fam, so before I actually remembered to have this extra Garrett turbo, and this has the water line fittings, but now I just got to go see if I could get these barbed so I can fit them onto the MIATA. So it actually has the feed line and the water one. So I'm cool. This is the return line, but I already have that separate. It's already in the room. I already have it put to a side. So we're gonna go get these two lines made and this one right here. All right, fam, so we're here. That's it right there. It's called G&J's Aircraft. So all I'm gonna do, since I don't even know what AN fittings these are, I'm just gonna walk in there and you know, ask them, see what they could do for me. I'm gonna ask to see if I could keep the camera rolling. Hello. How's it going? Is it okay if I keep my camera rolling?
Sure.
Yeah. All right. So I came because I have some questions and I need a couple lines. So this is my feed line, which is going to be a 4AN to 4AN, and then I need that, and then I need, these are my water lines, but I want to see if you guys have like a 4AN adapter to like barb.
You would just screw it right onto that to go to a barb. Go to 1/4-inch hose.
Just the hose onto here?
Mm-hmm.
And it won't leak or anything? Like,
no, I give you a fitting that would screw onto that. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll take 2 of those fittings and then 2.5 foot of the oil feed line for a 4AN to a 4AN.
Just straights on both sides?
There'll be a female and a female, both females.
Just straights though?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. On one, what angles are there? I mean, I don't need like a 80?
There's a 90 or a 45. So 90 and then like a 45.
45 on one side, please.
Of the feed?
Yes.
Okay.
And then that should be it.
Okay.
And then
2.5 foot?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then do you guys have couplers? Do you guys sell couplers?
Silicone couplers?
Oh yeah.
What's that?
2.5.
Just like a straight coupler?
How much do those go for?
A 2.5-inch straight coupler is $10.
$10? I'm gonna wait on that one real quick.
Okay.
But as in for right now, I'll take the lines.
Okay, no problem.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
So these are all the lines they sell. Do all the lines vary by prices, like the colors and all that?
What was that?
Do all the lines vary by prices, like by the color and?
For the feed line, if it was me, because it's going to be by heat, I would just keep it plain.
Okay.
Because this is just to cover that. If it gets hot, kind of just will melt.
Okay, then I'll just take it.
Just do it like that?
Yes, thank you. Alright, so I ended up buying them. That was like no more than 5 minutes in there. It ended up being $45. but not just for the line. I purchased also 2 clamps, 2 of these fittings that I'm gonna need for the hose. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna need them, but I'd rather have them than not have them. What's up, fam? So yesterday I had to cut the video short due to it started raining and I got called in for work. So let's get back to where we were at. I wanted to show you guys that I got the barb fittings made and the feed line. I already have the drain line, so we're all good to go on the turbo. I have one of my friends that's gonna make me the downpipe, but I need to install the turbo first. When I install it, I am missing some gaskets, so I gotta order those gaskets first. Once I get those gaskets purchased and here, I will slap the rest of the turbo on and then take it straight to the shop. The guy that's gonna be making it, his name's Daniel. I'm gonna put his information in the description below because he has a YouTube channel and he's always posting and he's a pretty cool guy. So check his channel out. And besides that, about a week ago or 2 weeks ago, I let you guys know whoever chose what wing this was will be first lucky winner. But some guy ended up choosing it. His name's MIATA gang. I'll put it right here. And he chose that it's what is it? It's a Celica wing. I even forgot what kind of wing it was. So yeah, it's off of a Celica. So he chose it right, and he's gonna be winning a little package for me. The little package is just gonna include a shirt that I made, and then a sticker of his Instagram so you can put it on his car, and then a couple, let me see, 1 or 2 Hot Wheels. The Hot Wheels that I choose to send out are cars that are as close as I can to your vehicle. So like if he owns a Miata, I'll send him a Miata, or if I don't have a Miata, I'll send him a RX-7 or anything Mazda wise, that's JDM wise, I guess you would say, or any of rare Hot Wheels. I try to send you guys a little package the best as I can. Soon enough, I'm gonna be able to make some merch to actually provide for you guys. So stay tuned for that. If you guys are interested on keeping watching what the build is all about, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys like this video. I don't think I have anything else in mind. Oh yeah, actually, about I want to say a week ago, I actually got sponsored by 6-Speed. They make pretty cool stuff like bucket seats, steering wheels, quick releases, lug nuts. What else do they make? They have other cool stuff, reservoirs. So go ahead and check them out. I'll put them in the description below. Besides that, I don't think I have anything else in mind. So stay tuned for the next video, which will be in about a week or so. As long as these parts get here faster, the video will be up. Stay tuned. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. Please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And share, repost. And I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.